In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning photography website using Squarespace. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out in the world of photography, setting up an online portfolio has never been easier. Let's dive in and explore the steps you need to take to showcase your work beautifully. First things first, head over to the Squarespace website and click on Get Started to begin your free 14-day trial. Squarespace offers a variety of image-forward templates designed to make your photos pop on any device. You can choose one of these pre-built photography templates, or try out the Blueprint AI Builder to generate a personalized design that suits your style. As you browse, pay close attention to the templates that meet your business needs. Look for layouts that feature either one large, striking photo on the homepage, or perhaps multiple images displayed in a grid. These choices can really set the tone for your portfolio. Once you've found a design that resonates with your vision, select it and give your website a name. Remember, you'll have the flexibility to customize fonts, colors, and the overall layout later on. So pick something that you can see evolving into your perfect online space. Next, it's time to build your site pages. Click into the Pages menu, where you'll be able to customize the page structure of your website. For your homepage, think about this as your first impression. This is where you want to showcase your best work, possibly through a hero image or a grid of top projects that immediately catch the viewer's eye. Following the homepage, consider setting up a portfolio page. This dedicated area will allow you to categorize and showcase your work across different projects or themes, such as portraits, weddings, or landscapes. Don't forget to add an About page. This is your chance to share your story, skills, and experience, enhancing your connection with potential clients. A professional bio, along with a photograph of yourself, can make this section engaging and personal. Lastly, include a contact page. Making it easy for people to reach you is crucial, so use Squarespace's form block to create a customizable contact form that suits your needs. Now let's talk about adding and organizing your photos. Use gallery sections and portfolio pages to highlight your work. To add a gallery section, go to the page where you want it displayed and click the Add Section button. Select images and then choose a gallery layout that appeals to you, whether it's a grid, strips, masonry, or even a slideshow. After adding the section, click the Edit button and start uploading your amazing images from your device. For a more structured showcase, consider adding a portfolio page. From the Pages panel, click the plus icon and choose Portfolio from the menu. A landing page layout will help you organize your projects effectively. You can then add individual projects, each one containing its own image gallery, text, and additional content blocks to provide context and commentary for your work. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up your photography website on Squarespace. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating an online portfolio that's both professional and visually appealing. Stay creative and happy building.